Hey, welcome back. This is Dave, and in this video, I'll be talking a few things on new feature by ChatGPT. The study mode. It's quite a small feature that they have added, but quite impressive in terms of the results that it generates. I'll be talking a few things on how I have been using this feature, how it has helped me, the use cases that I've come across, and how it can be a part of your workflow and help you learn things better and faster. So let's just jump right in. So now coming on to ChatGPT, this is where you'll be mostly landing, and this is where you find the study and learn feature, and it'll show you that you are a part of it now. And this is a part of the plus version, so everyone can just try it out once. And now moving on about how to use this feature. Once you come on this feature, you use it like you normally use ChatGPT. You put in your first prompt and mention in that what it is that you want to learn. It could be a subject, a topic, anything that you want to learn. And what it basically does is it will ask you questions in return where it is trying to understand more about you, about what it is that you know. In this case, what I have mentioned here is that I am a UX designer and I'm trying to learn coding, but I don't know where to start off with. And in return, it is asking me my end goals, my tech focus, and the skill level that I have in terms of coding. So how it helps it is basically based on the answers that you give it, it'll make the experience more personalized for you. And one quick suggestion when you answer these questions is also mention what is the best way that you learn. So in this example, as I've answered that I would want to learn more on the file structure, and the note that I've mentioned is that I learn better with analogies. So these are the important things and details that you should add. It will make the experience much better for you. And it has given me all the file structure details and also the analogies that are attached to it. So that is how it works. And as you see here that it has been giving me a lot of code to understand, and after a point I just lost track of what it means. So I asked it to give me a link where I can even preview this particular code and learn better from it, maybe even take up a few tasks to understand things better. And it gave me this code sandbox link, which once clicked on opens directly this, where it is already put in the code with the preview that we see here. It is a very small explanation that it has given me about React, where if you make any change, it will just render that area itself and not the whole thing. So these are the small things that it did, and is one use case that could be part of your learning. Another interesting feature is the edit in canvas, where if you want to make any edits to your copy, you can do that from here. Another interesting feature could be of highlighting a few notes here. It will help in taking better notes. If for someone this is a primary way of taking notes, but they have the copy option here, which will help you take these notes to another tool which you use for note taking. So that is quite nice. The question here also now arises, how is it different from the normal use of ChatGPT? So I tried that as well, where I use same prompt and I put it in the normal ChatGPT without the study mode, and it started summarizing it. It started answering it like a normal answer, and it was not in the direction the way the study mode took it, which is what makes it different from the normal use case of ChatGPT. So that is how I've been using the study mode, and I feel like it's the best time to learn a new skill using this feature. It has been very personalized compared to how we traditionally learn any subject or a topic. And one important thing that I have experienced is better prompting is very important. The way you write prompt affects the kind of result that you will be getting. So learn how to prompt better. It will eventually help you out in learning and in general with all the other tools that you will be using where you need to prompt. So do that and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.